Guts, shoulder, arms. Yeah, I can say, yes, welcome to Fiji, sir. It's good to see you again. This is my wife, Sarote.
Bula.
There you go. Ma'am, how are you? Bula. But anyway,
Thank you.
it comes with our appreciation
Thank
and
you very much.
gratitude.
Thank you.
I would like to thank you,
Thank you very much.
for the support of your country over the years. We wish you well, enjoy your short stay. And I wish you well for the rest of your tenure as the head of state
Thank you very much.
of the Solomon Islands. We've been friends for many years,
Thank you.
traditional friends, Pacific neighbors, Pacific Islanders. And when you do come back at a later stage, please come and see us.
Thank you very much.
But I'll certainly say hello to Ratipil.
Please do. Thank you.
There we go,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank you, sir. Oh.